What's going on, guys? It's Jordan from Apple Critics coming to you live and direct with another great video. Today is the day we've been waiting for all year. The iPhone 11 and 11 Pro Max release day. So let's go ahead and get this new iPhone. I'm super excited. I want to test out those 3 cameras. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I'm going to probably have to wait in line, even though I reserved it online for approximately 11:30. So I'm super excited for the phone. I'm going to make it there. I'm going to get to the mall on time. Going to hopefully stand in line on time and everything like that. But I've just been super excited since all the leaks. I mean, the leaks kind of did ruin everything and ruin the surprise, but then again, this is reportedly the best camera in any smartphone currently as of September 20th, 2019. So I'm super excited for this iPhone. I have a lot of hope. I am hoping that'll be a really good phone overall, and so far the reviews have been good. But other than that, let's go ahead and get straight on into this video. So we're currently in line for the iPhone.
Awesome, thank you so much. Hey, how are you doing?
I'm great.
Good, what's your first name?
Jordan, Jordan. Yeah, that's me.
Awesome. Oh, okay. So we're running a bit late on your reservation?
Yeah, a little bit late. No good.
Sorry about that. What is your, you're going to a contract or without a contract?
No contract.
No contract? And do you need any trade-in or anything
No
like that
trade-in.
at all? Okay,
No.
come on over to the other side.
The iPhone 11 is an LCD
Right here if you don't mind.
Okay, perfect.
Can I just get a first name?
Jordan. Jordan.
Just the AM?
Yeah.
Do you have your photo ID with you, Jordan?
Yes.
Alright, we just have the iPhone here for you. That's 256 gigabyte iPhone 11 Pro Max in the color space gray.
Yes.
That's the iPhone.
Yes. What's going on, YouTube? So I was able to get the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I have it right here. So I'm super excited that I reserved the phone on time online. I reserved it last Friday online, and then I now have it in my hands right here. So that is just So it's so exciting to see that I finally got the iPhone 11 Pro Max in 256 gigabytes. Now, I will be doing a lot of in-depth videos on it versus the Note 10 Plus, for example, right here. So you can tell by the 3 cameras. So definitely get a camera test in. I'm just super excited to get my hands on it. Now, not only did I just get the iPhone 11 Pro, but I also was able to pick up the case for it. So I got a nice case for the 11 Pro Max, the OtterBox Lumen. It was available in the Apple Store, so I said why not, and I just decided to go ahead and get it. So those were the two things that I picked up. So those were my main pickups from the Apple Store today. A pretty successful day if you ask me, but I'm just super excited for this iPhone 11 Pro, and I hope it will live up to the hype. Now, I waited in line for about half an hour, but part of it was my doing because I actually reserved it at 10:30, but I was in school at that time, and I had class to 11. So I just got to the mall as soon as I could, right after my class was done, finished 3 minutes early in my class, so I guess everything lined up. So I went straight to the mall, I got in line, and from there I just waited in line for like 15 minutes, and they took me to the different part of the line since I was buying it off contract. So that's basically what I did. So, and I'm very blessed and humbled for this opportunity. I'm definitely gonna do as many videos as I can and keep everybody impressed on YouTube and fulfill the content needs for subscribers. So thanks for watching this video on the iPhone 11 Pro pickup video. Definitely appreciate it. Leave a like and comment down below. And once again, this was Apple Critics. Thanks for watching.